Hello everybody! Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the US. This is what we will be creating today. It's a super cute little Tealight box, and inside it has a lighter and it holds 8 tea lights. Now I got these tea lights at the dollar store, as well as a place that you can add a gift card. So you could add a gift card to a liquor store where they can pick up a bottle of wine and then have some candles to drink wine in the bathtub. But super cute. So I'm going to show you how we create today's project. The designer series paper I'm using today is the Painted Seasons designer series paper, and then for the base of the box I am using Calypso Coral, and both the lid and the base is cut at 5.5 inches. We will use our paper snips. I like to use my multi-purpose liquid glue, and then our bone folder. This is going to give you some nice crisp edges. I'm also going to use a 3/4 inch circle punch, and that's going to be to notch out these side pieces. I'll also be using some pegs just to hold my lid and my box closed. And then today I thought I would bring in my Simply Scored scoring board. I haven't used this guy in a while. So what you're going to do for the base of the box, you are going to score this all the way around at 1 inch. Now I'm using my bone folder. There is a stylus that comes with this, and you will notice it has 2 different sizes, a small ball and a larger ball. So you can use a stylus or you can use your bone folder. You're going to score this 1 inch all around. What you're going to do now for the lid of the box, you are going to take your base and you're going to pop this onto the side like so. And what that's going to do is it's going to bump out your lid just a fraction. So when you go to score it, you're going to score this all the way around at 1 inch, making sure your lid is butted up against your base. And that's all the scoring. You can now put your board away. What you want to do now is, you will notice you have 4 little squares. You're going to cut up all these score lines, stopping at that horizontal score mark. What you're going to do now is you're going to miter all 4 of these squares. So you're just going to take a small little sliver out like so, and you're going to repeat that all the way around. You are going to repeat the same process with your lid, cutting up all those score lines, stopping at that horizontal score mark. Again, you're going to repeat the same process. You're going to miter all 4 of these tabs, taking away a little sliver. If you wanted to add a window, now would be the perfect time to run this through your Big Shot with whichever, window you would like to add. But also, now is the time where you want to grab your punch and just, all I'm doing is I'm lining it up between these score lines, making sure I'm centered, and I am just punching away a little notch. And you're going to repeat that on the opposite side. Just cut away a little notch. And now you can fold and burnish all your score lines. You're going to repeat that with your lid. What I'm going to do now is I am going to take my multi-purpose liquid glue, and on all 4 of these tabs I am going to add liquid glue. You're going to repeat that with the lid, again sticking adhesive on 4 of these tabs. And that, my friends, is your little box. You're going to give it a few minutes to dry. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you guys don't miss my next video. Don't forget to share the video with your friends. And then this is all going to fit in with your gift card. You're going to add your candles. Now I should have had 8, but I'm missing 2. And then your lid is going to fit onto your box, like so. Thank you so much for stopping by today, you guys. I hope to see you back here on Friday. I've got a great technique to share with you. We'll see you then. Take care.